Welcome to Prince Shorthand House. Trial passage, legal matter, latest matter, special dictation for पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट ओनली। पीडीएफ आपको मिल जाएगी। टाइपिंग के बाद चेक करके अपनी मिस्टेक्स निकालिए और संभव हो तो हमें मैसेज दीजिए आपकी मिस्टेक्स कितनी थी, इम्प्रूवमेंट कितनी है। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The Supreme Court on Thursday refused relief to both former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh in separate cases, noting that these persons who once occupied top offices are now facing serious charges. Mr. Deshmukh is accused of money laundering. He is under investigation by the CBI and ED. Mr. Singh was recently declared an absconder in corruption and extortion cases. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal for Mr. Deshmukh said the person who filed the complaint against him, Mr. Singh, is himself as absconder. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta for CBI countered that Mr. Deshmukh had himself been untraceable to the CBI and ED for a period. The court refused to entertain Mr. Deshmukh's plea that the CBI should produce case records, including legal opinions and the preliminary inquiry report. Mr. Sibal failed to prima facie convince the court that the case against the former minister was without basis. Just because the person has been a minister, we have to entertain these petitions, Justice S.K. Kaul said, dismissing Mr. Deshmukh's plea. Later in the day, the same bench took up a petition filed by Mr. Singh and told him that he would have to disclose his location to seek the court's protection. Your Singh petition has been filed by your power of attorney holder. Where are you? Are you in the country? Outside the country? Justice Kaul told Mr. Singh counsel. Mr. Singh's lawyer said that they would have to check with the power of attorney holder who filed the petition on behalf of the former Mumbai police chief. You have not joined any investigation and you are seeking protection. Our suspicion may be wrong, but if you are somewhere abroad and waiting for our orders, how can we give it? No protection, no hearing till we have the answer to the question, where are you? Justice Kaul said firmly, if I am allowed to breathe, I can get out of the hole. The counsel replied, asking for time till Monday. The court posted Mr. Singh's case against on November 22. Next para. Shah Rukh Pathan, who has allegedly pointed a gun at a Delhi police head constable during the 2020 Delhi riots, on Thursday told a court here that he did not fire shots at the cop and merely wanted to scare him and not kill a claim in opposed by the prosecution. A photograph of Pathan pointing a gun at Delhi police head constable Deepak Dahiya had gone viral on social media during the communal riots last year. He was arrested on March 3, 2020 and is currently lodged in Tihar jail. To show that there was no attempt to murder the cop, senior advocate Menka Guruswamy, representing Pathan, played a 26-second long video of the incident in the court and said that the accused fired two shots, one in the air and a second to his right, following which he has a heated conversation with Dahiya and turned back. Additional Sessions Judge Amitabh Rawat then asked the lawyer to replay the video and pointed towards the position of Pathan's gun just before he shot fire in the air. Look at the position of his gun. It is not pointed up. It is straight, bracket at Dahiya, full stop. When he is taking the aim, it is straight, the judge said. The state's case is based on Dahiya. He is the potential victim and he is not fired at. The first is in the air and the second is on the right, she said. Next para. The Delhi High Court on Thursday ordered all subordinate courts in the capital to strictly adhere to its order permitting hybrid on virtual hearings at the request of parties. A bench of Justice Vipin Sanghi and Justice Jasmeet Singh, which was hearing an application concerning the compliance with the High Court's direction, said all district courts in the capital are bounded to comply with its order. This High Court has already issued directions with respect to the system of hearing of matters before the district courts. We make it clear that all subordinate courts falling in all districts of Delhi are bound to comply with same, the bench said. It can't be that any judicial officer decided to not obey the said order and deny a request for a hybrid hearing in any matters listed before them, the bench ordered. Stop.